this is my teammate Rakshit.
Hi guys.
And this is our project for EC2161. It's a gesture-based mobile security system. So this is our application. Basically, the first time you install the application, you have to train it. So the default password is 0. You need to enter your password initially, and this is just to make sure that no one else can change your password. So the default password was 1111. Now we have the option of selecting an emergency contact, just in case sometimes we have an emergency. So I'm just going to select Rahul. Now I'm going to train my phone, and to do that I have to type in the password 10 times, and while I'm doing that the phone is going to measure the typing speed as well as the orientation. So I'm just going to train it now. Also, the minimum length of the password has to be 4. So if the length is less than 4, it's going to give an error saying that the length must be at least 4 digits. And if the passwords do not match, it's going to say that the passwords do not match. Yeah. So now I've trained my password. Now I'm going to touch the phone 10 times at any place, and this is basically going to measure my touch position, touch pressure, and touch area. So I'm going to touch on the top right corner. And now the phone is trained. Also, on pressing the home button, it's going to give me an option which app I want to use to complete the home button press. So I'm just going to select my app and select always. So now that's done. Now every time I unlock the app, it's going to open my app screen. So here we have options of calling the emergency contact as well as 911, but I'll show this later on. So first I have to touch anywhere on the screen. I'm going to touch the position I touched before, and now this will give me another screen. Here I'm supposed to type in my password. So if the speed is wrong, it's going to tell me it's wrong speed. If the speed is right, it's going to unlock. I'm going to show it to you one more time, this time with the wrong orientation. Sorry. Right. So now if I keep the orientation this way, it's going to say wrong orientation, but as long as the orientation and the speed are within the specified limits, it's going to unlock the phone. Now I'm going to give the phone to my teammate, and he's going to try and unlock it. So
As Rahul explained clearly that he had opted for the right corner as the touch position. So I'll touch at the same place. And as you can see that though I know the touch position, I'm not able to get a pass to the first security level. That's because the pressure does not match. So that was one of the factors that didn't let me pass to the second level. So I'll ask Rahul to touch it once again.
Right, I need to hold the phone in the correct angle. So yeah.
So as you can see that his pressure and the size as well as the orientation matched. Now it has got a pass to the second level of the security. Now I have to type in the password here. So the password is
1 2 3 4.
As you can see, the speed is wrong. Let me try it once again.
It's very blurry.
So again, it's a wrong speed. So as you can see, though I know at what speed he was typing in and at what position he was touching, I'm not able to get a pass to the security levels. So this shows the the strength of our app, and it's a pretty complete product. So I'll give the phone back to Rahul.
Now I'm going to show you that the home button is actually disabled and that the emergency contact works. So I'm just going to, So as you can see, if I press the home button, it's just going to open my app. Also the back button is disabled, so it's not going to get out of the app. We have two options. One is the emergency contact and one is calling 911. So if you press on emergency contact, it's going to call that number. We don't have a SIM card in right now, so it's not possible. But Yeah, this is one of the drawbacks, that as soon as you call the emergency contact, the phone is unlocked. So this is something that we need to work on. And also the other option is calling 911. If you press that, it's going to call 911. But yeah, I'm just going to hang up. So basically this is the functionality of our app. Thank you.